Hi, I'm Michael, the Quality Manager for FoxFury Lighting Solutions. Today, we're going to be taking the Taker R40 and installing it on a Riot shield light. We're going to start by removing this guard. You'll need two tools, a 10mm socket and a 5mm hex key. Once we remove the guard, we're going to install the 3M Reclosable Fasteners. This is going to require a 7/32 socket and a regular Phillips screwdriver. You're first going to want to separate the two pieces, as such, and remove the nuts from the back. Once the nuts are removed, you're going to want to line up the bolts with the holes here and press through. Flip over like such. Install the washer and then the nut. When securing the two, make sure to not over tighten. We just want it snug. Once the bolts are secure and tight, take the other piece with the adhesive side and firmly first line it up and then clip it all together until it's all secure. Before we stick the light to the shield, we want to make sure it's clean of any grease, dirt, or debris. And we could do that by using paper towels, cotton balls, and some rubbing alcohol. Just thoroughly wipe over the area and make sure any oil, dust, or debris is gone. Take the second piece of Velcro that's previously attached to this and a Sharpie, and find your center point of your shield using a ruler or some sort of measuring tape and aligning it where you need to. Make your marks. Affix the piece back to the unit. Remove the adhesive protective strip. Find your marks. Gently place and make sure it's in the right spot. And firmly press for about 10 seconds, kind of rocking it to making sure all points of the light are touching the shield. When reinstalling the light, start from one end and firmly push at several points to ensure that it's firmly locked into place.